Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Authenticator. You will click on settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Authenticator. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. And then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.